We're taking our big ship-wide photo.
They're at the top of the yacht.
Oh my gosh. Everybody smiles. Hello, today is Friday, February 18th, which means it's a 12, and it's our first day back after Jordan, and we have only 4 days at sea before we head into Cyprus, and tomorrow we're going through the Suez Canal. If you're new here, my name is Sarah. I am on the spring 2023 voyage of semester at sea. Today I have global at 8:30, and then I work at the writing center for an hour, and then I have oceanography in the afternoon and another hour and a half of the writing center. I have a lot of homework and catching up because I had my oceanography field class in Jordan, and so I need to do a lot of work for that. I also just need to catch up on everything, documentation and pictures and journaling, because from now on we have very short time between all of our ports, so it's going to be a lot harder. So welcome to a week at sea.
This finger here, good luck with that.
So I am chilling outside on the back of deck 7. I just finished my oceanography class. It is 1400 right now, but I'm out here reading for my psychology class for tomorrow. It is a little chilly, but the sun feels really nice, which is honestly like my favorite temperature to sit outside. It's also a little windy, so we'll see how long this lasts.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain.
Effort I put into just being able to hang things on the walls using post-its. There we go. Update to the wall. I have this sign here just in case my room gets searched and they don't take them down because I'm not supposed to hang anything on the walls, but I'm using post-its, so that should be fine. Here's one from Dubai. Here's one from Kenya. I finally hung these two up from India. I didn't get any paper things from Jordan. Well, I did get my Petra ticket. Maybe I'll put my Petra ticket up there. I'm putting my Petra ticket up there. There we go. Alright, so I am in my afternoon shift at the writing center right now. I am putting up new information on the writing center bulletin board. So I have some post-its with some tips for like writing analyses, how to get started and brainstorming, and then also some things I need to cut out. Basically how to help people write essays. So that's what I'm doing right now. Look at that. We really like using post-its, as you can see.
Get up and off, and let's have you sign up for that open mic night, which is tomorrow. Global Studies will not be held tomorrow. Catch the Suez Canal. By the way, did you know Suez spelled backwards is Zeus? Transit fees.
Maybe I will go to the thing for Cyprus as a study break. And we could like sit in the back and then just kind of like casually do stuff.
Do you want to do that?
Yeah, we can do that.
What is there that prevents Turkey from contributing?
Hello, today is B12 and welcome to the Suez Canal. We started going through the Suez Canal at about 4 a.m. last night. I think I woke up sometime in the 6 o'clock hour and saw that we were going through like a very narrow, like it literally looked like land was right there. Now I believe we are in one of the lakes that goes through the Suez Canal, but I think we'll go back to more of a like tiny little channel before we leave. Usually we don't have global studies the day after we get back from a port, but we switched that so that we could have time to go look at the Suez Canal today. Going through the Suez Canal is something that like very few people get to do. It's usually just for cargo types of ships, but we get to go through it. Which is insane. Semester at sea is really like such unique opportunities to do things. I'm gonna go get breakfast real quick, and then I think I'm gonna go out on deck 7 and watch Suez Canal for a bit. I mean, this is technically a lake, but it's so salty. Hey guys. Hi, Egypt. about 14:30 right now, and we actually just left the Suez Canal. We are officially in the Mediterranean Sea. On the noon Bing Bong announcements today, they did say that we are actually going to be getting to Cyprus the night before, not tomorrow, but the next day. We won't be able to get off the ship then, obviously, but we will be docked, so it'll be easier getting off the next day. But right now I'm gonna go to the writing center for an hour, and then I have positive psychology, and then back to the writing center, and that's all I have for today. More free ice cream cake from leftover birthdays. You don't have any.
Aviation, there's no way that a bee should be able to fly. Its wings are too small to get its fat little body off the ground. Barry, breakfast is ready. Coming. 3 days of grade school, 3 days of high school, 3 days of college. I'm glad I just took off one day in the middle and just hitchhiked around the high. You did come back different.
There you go.
Next one is the bridge.
Try it. You're moving a little fast over there.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I mean the top.
Good try. Today is February 19th, which means it is a 13, and it is day 3 of our sea stretch to Cyprus. Let's do a little OOTD. This like jumper thing is from Free People, and this is like a very faintly tie-dyed, you almost can't even tell on this, but it's a very faintly tie-dyed t-shirt that I got in Hawaii. This is from Jordan, and then Burks.
Cyprus Island. Enjoy the nice weather and the sun.
So we're getting to Cyprus like a day and a half early, almost 48 hours early. You can see Cyprus out the window, and I guess we're just gonna chill in port for the next day and a half. Okay, so it is officially cabin tour time. I have a outside triple. My roommates are Ellen and Kaylee. We kind of met through the original Semester at Sea Spring 23 group me 6 months ago and decided we wanted to live together. Some people choose roommates like that. Some people just do totally random. Sometimes they know people beforehand. Either way, I think it kind of all works out mostly for the better. Let's do our little room tour. I live on deck 4. This is basically the end of the hallway here. I am number 405, obviously the best cabin. Our door is covered in lots of different things. So right inside, on the back of the door, we have some hooks here. We have like some bags and a coat, hat, things like that. We also have our muster stations down here. We have our thermostat here, a couple little hooks that we've had our name tags on this whole time. Hard to see from this angle, but we have our closets. We actually have 4 closets, which we thought we were only gonna get 3. So this is Ellen's. This is kind of our empty like storage one. Like we have some suitcases in here. This is Kaylee's, and this last one here is mine. Up here I have shorts, pants, sweatshirts back here, some swimsuits, more pajamas here, more like leggings and sweatpants back here, underwear, tank tops, t-shirts, long sleeves, and like sweaters, socks, and bras and stuff here. This is our little safe. And then down here, that's my dirty clothes pile that I desperately need to wash. Long sleeves, flannels, coats, and dresses, basically anything that could be hung up. Now on the inside of this door, I have my big hanging shoe organizer. And because of where the shelves line up, I have to be very creative about what I'm putting where. So just keep that in mind, that depending on what closet you get, it might be trickier to have one of these, but I still am able to use it. I have some masks, some water filters for my Brita water bottle, sunscreen, perfume, Tide stick, big Advil, Claritin, some magnets for the door, hair mask, contact stuff. These are my big hair products, more sunscreen, bug spray. Down here I have my Chacos, Converse, and then a couple little extra things in there. And then stool and table area. This is mostly like Ellen's stuff over here. Our TV, which is literally at the worst possible angle for the rest of the room. Like there's no angle in which everybody can watch it. It would make more sense if it was over there. Our cabin steward is Ramel. He's amazing. In here we have this little, you could like store stuff in there. We have another one down here. And then this is our fridge. Like just other people's stuff in here. And then Over on this side, hello, we have our nice big mirror here. Over on this wall, I'm using Post-its to like put up some of my things. We have this big chair here, that's our trash can. Underneath there is our little hair dryer that I don't think any of us have used. This is our charging station. We have only one outlet that's not in an inconvenient place in the bathroom, so we are rotating this pretty heavily. This is my microfiber towel that I don't know why is out here, and my blue light glasses. Extra chargers that people have. This is Ellen's drawer maybe, or maybe that's Kaylee's. I honestly don't know. This is my drawer. I have like little Kleenex things, my sunglasses, hair accessories, one makeup thing that I brought with, gum, headband, things like that. This cabinet is also where I put my stuff. So I have like my day pack, my oceanography field notebook. This thing is like papers, extra notebook, this folder thing for oceanography that I literally have not used, extra journal, these gloves that I've never used for oceanography, my speaker, colored pencils that I also haven't used yet, a whole lot of Post-its, Polaroid camera, all my medications, extra Polaroid film, my underwater case for my phone, and these are like silicone Ziploc baggies for food, umbrella. This is Kaylee's suitcase. That is just the only place that it fits, so it's been here this whole time. This is my bed. So yes, I have the couch bed. Honestly, I really like having the couch bed. I have this extra little pillow thing that sometimes, you know, you hug because you're lonely. It's fine. This is a blanket that I brought from home. We have a pretty big ledge up here, honestly. It's really nice. That's some of my snacks there. This is a little plaque thing that I got in Kenya that some people made that were selling outside the terminal. Some of my jewelry, vitamins, my tech equipment. This is our very nice window. This is more of Kaylee's stuff over here. This is Kaylee's bed, and Ellen sleeps up here. Lamp, phone that we haven't used very much. I used like the first day to call the med team when I was gravely ill. This is a whole bunch of stuff from my mom. Kaylee's stuff down there, my stuff down here. I really like logic puzzles, so I brought those. I also really like pens. This down here is basically a bag of extra toiletries. I also usually store shoes under here. This drawer is also more of my stuff. I have like pens, all my extra green sheets, extra charging stuff, carabiners, kind of a random toss drawer. Then under my bed, I keep these two shoes down here. So underneath here, I don't know if you can see, but like this is my suitcase here. My other suitcase is right there. So I store some extra supplies things in this suitcase. Then over here is my life jacket. So we don't have like half of the bed to store stuff. Then under this bed, Kaylee has a lot of her shoes, and then the other two life jackets are under there. Okay, and then over on the right side of our door, we have our bathroom, and it has this really nice full length mirror. Here's our bathroom. We have these two hooks here. We have some more hooks over here. Somebody was drying their clothes, but I just moved it to the side. Usually we hang this like all the way over to this light switch, and then all the way over there. So this is my toiletries. We each have our own little shelf here. Someone has their stuff here. And then this is my corner. There's a lot of stuff over here. My face wash, toothbrush and toothpaste there. And then down here, I had to put on the 0.5. This is just more storage here. I have like my travel bag, extra little toiletry thing, like more contact solution. And then over here, like a little toilet scrub brush. This is our toilet paper, extra toilet paper. And this is a little trash can in there. And then our shower with our lovely mermaid that I shower with every single day. This is also a little clothing rack that somebody is currently using to dry their clothes. Honestly, we usually are showering with clothes like that. And we also have some clothes here. But it's a really nice shower, actually. It has one of those detachable shower heads. And then down here, we just have like our shampoo and conditioner. I think that's pretty much it as far as cabin tour. Even though there's 3 of us in here and we only have like one outlet that we actually use, it's honestly a really nice space, and I really like our big ledge. So cabin 4005, if anybody else has it, we're port forward. I never really feel like I'm crammed for space. Yeah, honestly, I really like our room a lot. Maybe go backwards, yeah. Leah is sleeping. She fell asleep on her tube. So today is our last day before we get into Cyprus. We've obviously been in Cyprus for like a day and a half. We pulled into the actual port this morning. Today I just had global studies. I have a travel writing, got assigned my second travel writing essay, which is due literally 2 days after we get back from Cyprus. So that's gonna be a little bit of a quick turnaround, but it's okay. I did some homework outside and I had lunch. And I'm gonna take a nap because I'm very tired.
Surveyed 100 guinea pigs, so literal furry creatures, not humans. This is a bell. Do you know how this works? You touch it and it rings. It's not like a phone where you have to like touch it and it's a thing. Okay, the best way might be to stay safe and healthy in port. How about the buddy? What are the important information items you can find on the green sheet? Whoa! Contact information. Phone numbers! Are you two ready? You're both very, very anxious and you look like you're going to eat each other's brains. What to do if you need help in port? Can we get a doctor up here?
No, you can't. They won't help you. They don't have clinic hours right now.
Thank you.
Thank you.
How are you, Queenie? Like your glasses,
So I just did some work in Berlin, some editing, maybe 2/3 of the way through finishing my India vlog, and then I'm going to be trying to be more on it, I promise. It's like 23:30 right now, so 11:30 p.m. and I am going to bed. Thank you so much for watching this little stretch at sea. It means so much to me, so make sure you like and subscribe for more content because there will of course be more. And I will see you in the next one.